G'day folks, this is a case study for a building company down in the Bay Area of Victoria towards the Mornington Peninsula. They are a renovation extension building company, and they essentially came to us because they have a website, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but it doesn't really represent them properly, and it doesn't really reflect the caliber of business that they are. They do a lot of high-end renovations and extensions, and they're really good at it. But their website sort of made them look like a bit subpar. So we've sort of ramped it up. They didn't, like a lot of our clients, especially building clients, they don't necessarily need a huge amount of work. They just need a better way of showcasing the work they do. So that is a very common scenario. So if that sounds like you don't always have to be getting yourself a new website to make to generate a lot more leads. You just need to get it to make yourself look better and look more professional in a lot of cases anyway. Regardless, the starting point of any marketing campaign is going to be the website. So whether you decide that you don't need more work straight away or you do need work straight away, either way, you're going to have the website looking great and converting well. So as you'll see here when I reduce my picture, their old website really missed the mark sort of above the fold. It had a few links on here that didn't work. A lot of these things weren't navigating. They tried to do a lot of this themselves, to their credit. So they did do their best, but obviously to get them to the next stage, they needed a bit of professional help. So you can see here we can't really see the logo, and as we scroll down, there was some, it's big content heavy blocks and some stock photos and things like that. It just didn't really respond very well. And as we get down even further, you'll see it's nice having photos on a website, but sometimes you want to have them in perspective. So this is kind of just looks a bit like clutter at the moment. As we scroll down, you'll see they've got Instagram links and stuff like that, which is fine. And then they've got these huge reviews things, which basically just clogs up the bottom of the website. So it wasn't great. It isn't great. However, their new website, it's wonderful. So we've rebuilt it all using WordPress, which is what we use for all of our website rebuilds, because it offers so much flexibility in the space of development and management looking forward, and it just basically puts our clients in control. You can see here there's some nice above the fold conversion factors in there with some lead magnet, some opt-ins and call to actions and things like that. There's some nice, we've rewritten all the content for this site as well. So they've got some lovely new content relating to renovations and extensions, some nice little icons and imagery, which is always looks great. And then they're showcasing some of their awards and things through Houzz, which is fantastic for social proof. Beautiful awards here from the guys, and some lovely photos, which is awesome. And then some case studies and projects that they've completed. And as you scroll down, they've got some nice. We've cleaned up the testimonials for them, and we've been able to put that into a nice little rotating gallery there, just to tidy it all up. And then down in the footer here, we've organised their little Instagram feed for them, which is awesome. And they've got some other little links down there, which again is great. So yeah, all in all, it's a much nicer looking site. We've been able to tidy up their about page and just put some nice relevant photographs and things like that on there. And these are never a destination either. Like a lot of these pages, we want the clients to be, improving these, and maybe they'll add a photo of the team in there at some point and that kind of thing. Nice service pages with well-written content. This has all been done, by our copywriting team, and it's all been done properly, which is great. And then we've got a little testimonial page there, which, takes them back into that little rotating banner with all the testimonials and, some more social proof if anyone's looking for that kind of thing. So yeah, it's a wonderful little, it's a great website. It's a chalk and cheese from what it was. And we're looking forward to getting this one live so we can get it indexed on the websites. And I'm sure the client is going to be more than happy with this. So if you guys are interested in getting a website upgrade, as you can see, something similar to this, head across to tradiewebguys.com.au. You can head across to the contact page and just check in with us. Let us know what you're up to. Let us know what you're after, and perhaps we can help. We do hundreds of these websites, and we're we like to think we're pretty good at it. So give us a holler, and we'll look forward to working with you.